PSL Pulse bafethu, it's a Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Makesi 0. Orlando Amstel Arena, sold out capacity. My brother, ngicela igama mfethu.
Mina nguCharles mfethu, nguCharles mina wase Albertine.
Charles from Albertine. Yeah. Thank you mfethu. So how do you feel about today's game? Uyibona kanjani?
Today's game mfethu, ngihappy mfethu. And ngihappy nge-first 11. Yazi mfethu, mina i-first 11 eOrlando Pirates. Dala ngikhala ngayo ngithi coach makadlalisa umfukeni 10. Maqala ngomfukeni. Bafethu, ngicela ukusho namhlanje ngizoyisho ukuthi ngiphinde lento le. Umfukeni is the future number 10 of Orlando Pirates. Akekho umuntu ozothatha inumber 10 ngaphandle komfukeni. If you have umfukeni egamini uzowina. If uthatha bafethu, mina ngifuna ukusho namhlanje. If utito uthatha umfukeni umbeke benchini ngeke uwine. Ene bafethu namhlanje kungena 2 goals before half time because of bani umfukeni. It's the future bafethu of Orlando Pirates. We're going to take the league. President. We're going to take the league in fact. I don't want to lie. We're going to take the league. We're going to take Nedbank Cup with the squad that we have. But if ucoach usebenzisa umfukeni as number 10, always afaka umfukeni as number 10. Sizowawina ama game.
Oshwina Police mbone kanjani? Oshwina Police.
Oshwina Police in fact always. It's a play of the season. I'm just saying now. It's a play of the season. Always a policy. I give him straight play of the season. Because of he's showing to us that he's doing this and he's always doing it. Umesi mfethu. Kazi mfethu kuphi la? Kuse arena.
Kuse arena.
Lalo se-England. Yeah.
Was Mufukeng your man of the match today?
Yeah, mina mfethu man of the match Mufukeng. Yeah, umfukeni mfethu angazi mfethu umfukeni ngathini ngaye but umfukeni mina ungishanga phakathi ngithe mangibona first 11 ngajabula because of ngiyazi ukuthi I'm going to get the goals that I want and I did but angithanda umfukeni makadlaliwe left wing because awungeke umbone makadlali left wing because uyasifihla mfethu bayammark but if udlala i10 it's going to show you flames. It's going to show you flames that boy. Orlando Pirates going to take a league. We're going to take a league. PSG, Brian.
Orlando Pirates going to take the league. Who's going to take the Nedbank Cup?
Can I say one thing?
Before you say it, who's going to take the Nedbank Cup?
Nedbank Cup is Orlando Pirates.
Okay, you can talk.
PSG, Braga. PSG, please, Braga, please. Ngicela Orlando Pirates uyibuke njengathi siyibuka. If uzothi umfukeni akazodlala i10, umfukeni is the future of Orlando Pirates ku number 10. And PSG bengicela PSG ungazi ku live ukhuluma ngamaplayer wethu ukuthi ubala akazodlala i10. Umfukeni is proving game le game uyaprove umfukeni ukuthi I can play number 10. And bafethu angifuni lento le ukuthi nihambe lithi umfukeni akazodlala i10. Umfukeni is the future. PSG cela ustop mfethu ukhuluma ngomfukeni. Ngiyacela mfethu.
Thank you bafethu. This was PSL Pulse. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.